What's good, bro?
What's up, bro? How you doing? How you doing?
Justin.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
You just got on here?
Huh?